Enchanted Unicorn Chocolate Cherry Sponge Cake. Hey, look at this. Just look at this. Isn't it just enchanting? Today we are not just baking a sponge cake. We are conjuring the Enchanted Unicorn Chocolate Cherry Layer Sponge Cake. This isn't your average rare cake. Oh no, this one has a secret. A hidden bit of unicorn magic inside every single slice. This cake is fluffy, it's chocolatey, it got a luscious cherry whipped cream filling, and it's surprisingly fun to make. You're going to impress everyone with this.
Hi, my name is Rose, and my mommy also made this unicorn for Amelie, my friend.
Alright, let's start with our unicorn drawing mixture. These are all the ingredients that we need to do the drawing. 15 grams of everything. Softened butter and powdered sugar mixed together until silky smooth. Next, we add flour and egg white, mixing until it forms a smooth batter. This is what we will create our detailed unicorn. Continuous mixing. The perfect texture for the drawing should be smooth, thick, and pliable like this, holding its shape without spreading too much. When lifting with the spoon, it should flow slowly in ribbons and settle smoothly. Now we divide the batter and add a splash of food coloring to bring our unicorn to life. Black for the detailed outline, white for its body, pink and yellow for other parts of the unicorn. To create precise unicorn drawing on sponge cake, by sketching the design on a plain white sheet of paper using a dark marker. Keep the design simple with bold outlines to ensure clarity when tracing on the baking paper. Place your drawing underneath a sheet of parchment paper on your baking tray. Now we can start using our prepared color batter in piping bags. Carefully trace and fill in the design following the lines. Why black outline first? Well, just like when you're drawing on paper, an outline gives us a clear shape to work with. It's like the skeleton of our unicorn, helping us keep everything in proportion. Don't worry about being perfect here. We are going for cute and fun, not a professional painting. Just a simple oval for the body, a little curve for the head, and some basic lines for the hair. Look at that, I'm shivering a little bit. But no problem, when you get that something wrong on the line, just wipe it off and do it all over again. Continue all the black outline throughout the head, horn, ears, following all those lines from our template. A steady hand is helpful, but don't worry if it's not perfect. It's homemade, and that is charm. Once our black outline is complete, we can start filling it in like a coloring book. I'm starting with a white batter for the man body. Pipe the white batter carefully inside the lines. You can use a toothpick or a scribe tool to gently nudge the batter right up to the black edges without going over. We want to fill the space completely so there are no gaps. Next, let's add the magic. Now for the yellow batter. I will fill the horn and remaining sections of the hair and tail. Next, taking my pink batter and filling in some sections in between hair, little hooves, and adding those adorable tails. It's really starting to look like our unicorn now. Once you're happy with the drawing, freeze the tray for at least 30 minutes to set the design.
This is me, that's not Amelia. See, it's so cute. What is that? Hand cream, that's unicorn.
While freezing the tray and the design, let's prepare our chocolate cake batter. In a clean bowl, include 70 grams cake flour. I'm doing my own cake flour, which is 7 grams of cornstarch and 63 grams of plain flour. To enhance the flavor, I include 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 4 teaspoons of good quality of cocoa powder, mix in our remaining 63 grams of plain flour, which equivalent to 70 grams of cake flour if you buy from the shops. Shift them all together. While doing so, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button or click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipes. In separate bowl, put in 4 egg yolks, 40 ml canola oil and 60 ml of milk. Now mix in all the sifted chocolate cake flour and gently whisk until you have a smooth chocolatey mixture. Set it aside. As usual, making our meringue. Beat egg white with 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 40 grams of custard sugar. Beat until you get glossy, stiff peaks. Once done, that's combining and baking. Now gently fold the meringue into the cake batters in 3 parts. Be careful not to deflate it. We want a soft cloud-like chocolate sponge cake. Pro tips here is soak the whisk with the spatula and fold it gently. Now get our unicorn tray from the freezer. Carefully pour the batter over our unicorn drawing. Be careful, making sure you don't scratch the unicorn drawing and evenly spread across all the chocolate sponge batter. My pro tips here is using the spatula or a cake scraper to even out the surface of the cake, especially the edge. Once you're happy with that, bake at the preheated oven at 170 Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, depending on your oven. Once baked, flip the cake onto a clean sheet of parchment paper upside down and gently peel off the original one to reveal our unicorn. Look how cute is that, how satisfying that it is. Seamlessly transfer our drawings onto a cake, isn't it fun? Once cooled out, transfer that into the working surface. Use a knife, trim a thin stripe from all 4 sides to create clean, straight edges for a professional look and divide that into 3 portions. Finally, for assembly, carefully stack your previously trimmed cake layers, spreading a generous even layer of the chilled cherry cloud filling between each, ensuring a delightful balance of moist chocolate sponge and luscious fruit syrup cream in every bite. Final touch of our unicorn sponge cake. Use a brush to get the pink edible glitters to represent the rosy cheek of unicorn. How cute is it now? Here's recap my unicorn decorative chocolate sponge cake with cherry whipped cream. Or you can go to hankery.com for print out recipe. If you're interested in other sponge cake recipes, check out my next video, Elmo inspired sponge cake art tutorial. If you love this magical baking adventure, smash that like button. Share this video with a friend who needs some unicorn magic in their life. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and dazzling recipes. Until next time, happy baking!